Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another software engineering concepts in Python playlist right here on aiohttp. In this video, we are going to look at WebSockets in Python. So WebSockets actually create persistent bidirectional TCP connections that overcome HTTP limitations. They enable real-time data exchange without page refreshes or polling, making them ideal for Python's applications requiring immediacy like dashboards, collaborative tools, games, and chat systems. And the protocol begins with an HTTP handshake before upgrading to a channel where client server can communicate independently. So here is an implementation of WebSocket example where you can try in your VS Code and tell us how it went with an import async.io. Okay, also import WebSocket and then try and enter this in VS Code, run it, and let's know how it went. Okay, the Echo server actually demonstrates WebSocket's core functionality by receiving messages and responding asynchronously, efficiently, handling multiple connections, and test with any WebSocket clients, ideal for low latency applications like stock tickets, games, and collaborative tools. And the WebSockets library offers high level async API that handles protocol details including handshakes and connection management. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, do well to post in the comment section.